everything about CzechiaGP in just 1 minute. Last month in Hungary was absolutely dominated by markers who's get pole position, who's get sprint, and who's get ground. Stack of the markers will return to racing from the Brno Grand Prix. I didn't find any sign he won't be that, and Kale Kurva still will be replacing Johan Zarco. And the most important probably is that most of teams will show their squads in 2027 and the new era of machinery. We not only started in Friday with two practices, sprint at 3 p.m. Saturday, race in 2 p.m. in Sunday.